Lilleberg is on it first. A little feed blocked by Draisaitl with that long stick. Fed it to the slot. Shot, score. Trent Frederic. Well, Draisaitl has that long reach. He intercepted the puck, threw it into the middle, and a one-timer ends up in the Lightning net. Will squirt to Bjorkstrand. He'll chip it out. But Bouchard blocks it. A quick counter McDavid into the Lightning zone. McDavid squeezing free in front. Shoots, save Vasilevsky. What a stop. Rebound Ekholm left circle. Oilers are dominating right now. Behind the net, McDavid feeds it. Bouchard right circle shot blocked. Rebound Hyman shoots, save Vasilevsky, and he covers. Good time for a TV timeout for the Lightning. That early goal from Frederic has completely changed the complexion of this game. Cranks it behind the net. Ekholm a block for Jake Wallman. He will lose to James. Left circle Gonsalves. Left point Moser. Right point Radish shoots. Blocker save made. Wallman is absolutely crunched on the sideboards by Douglas. He's struggling to get off the ice. It is cleared to center ice by Savoy. Douglas forces it back in and it's offside. Wallman is hurt. Douglas finished a check on him and you could hear it all the way up here. Now Douglas is involved in a fight. Nurse came at him. Well, that was a clean check from Douglas. Nurse trying to land a right. Nurse loses his balance and Douglas loses his balance. So neither player really threw or landed many punches there.
I mean, it was a pretty clean hit.
Nurse might have got one right hand in. Waiting, here's the check, Phil.
Yeah, it's a good body check. It hurt his knee. That's looks like his leg.
Now we'll see if they get Nurse for instigating. I mean, they may have gotten him for an extra 2.
Well, they should. He started it.
Tampa, number 42, 5 minutes for fighting. Edmonton, number 25, has received 2, 5, 10. Instigating, 5-minute fight. Go.
That's a dumb play by Nurse. That's a dumb play.
Right point, Lilleberg. Shoot, save made. Rebound is loose in the blue paint. It's going to bounce to Paul off his stick. Tough break. Roslovic lost it. Here's Lilleberg. 5 to go. Lilleberg a shot blocked. Rebound is grabbed by Gensel. He's hooked, and the Lightning are going to get a power play as Regula took a penalty literally as time expires in the period. 38 in the power play. Center point Radish, right circle Kucherov. Cross ice Bjorkstrand, left circle shot. Save made Pickard.
He doesn't do the one-timer, man. He just won't do it.
Slips to Kucherov across the blue line. Kucherov dances right circle. Shoot, save Pickard. Rebound shot. Cirelli save Pickard. He had a man all over him, Regula. But Cirelli still got that second shot to the net. 2 good saves for Pickard. Near boards, Emerson a keep. Here is Podkolzin open the slot, shooting it wide right. Lightning had a turnover there. High slot Cirelli. He is checked. Following up, Paul shoots in the slot. Save made Pickard with a glove and he holds on. Well, look what I found. Puck for Paul. Pickard the save. Moser gets checked. Kucherov follows up. Right circle. Hagel open. Oh, a diving save made by Pickard. It looked like the net was open. Now Radish right point. Fire save made. Rebound. Cirelli. Save made by Pickard. What a start for the Lightning in the third. Radish right circle. Right circle Kucherov. Shoots. Save Pickard. Is it loose? Well, he loses his helmet. The puck was loose. Across the Edmonton line, Nick Paul right circle. Paul swerves in front. Score! Nick Paul! Nick Paul! In his return, he scores the tying goal! 1-1 with 2:32 left. Roslovic mentioned he has the 2 OT winners. There's Nurse across the line to step left circle. Nurse shoots, save made. Rebound loose in front.
What a save!
Roslovic. It looked like an open net. Kucherov the other way. Right side Radish with Gensel across the line. Radish for Gensel. Score! Gensel! Jake Gensel wins it after Vasilevsky made an absolutely miraculous save.
What a save!